guys, it's Crafty C, and today I'm going to show you how to make these earrings and this keychain. Let's get started. So first you're going to need 2 charms and an earring. I got the earring from the dollar store and the charms from Michael's. You will also need a pair of mini pliers. First, open the clasp on the charm. And then put the earring onto the charm. You will have your first earring after that. Do the same exact steps with the second one. After that, you have a pair of cute earrings. Now, you will need a keychain holder and a keychain charm. Grab 2 pairs of pliers to open up the clasp on the keychain charm. Next, grab the charm and put it on the keychain holder. Close the clasp with 2 pairs of pliers. Now you have a beautiful keychain that can hang on anything. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.